subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The launch of Samsung's flagship Galaxy S11 series will take place by next year. But before the launch, we saw the upcoming Galaxy S11 and S11e smartphone renders were surfaced online along with some key specifications. And now another renders of Galaxy S11 series has leaked online by Cash Karo in partner with OnLeaks, which is said to be Galaxy S11 PLUS. According to leak renders, the Galaxy S11 PLUS will have curved display with a punch hole at the top center that carries an selfie camera. On the rear, there is a large camera setup at the top left corner in square module that carries 5 camera lens along with the LED flash and 2 tiny sensors, in which the secondary sensor is expected to be laser autofocus. The volume rockers and power button are placed on the right edge, while the left side appears to be bare. The bottom of the smartphone houses a speaker grill along with the USB Type-C charging port, and like its predecessor, there won't be 3.5mm audio jack on this phone. The physical dimensions of the phone is set to measure at 166.9 by 76 by 8.8 mm. Talking about the specifications, if rumors to be believed, the Galaxy S11 PLUS will support around 6.9-inch Super AMOLED display with 120Hz screen refresh rate. The smartphone will also feature an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. As per the camera, it is said that the upcoming Galaxy S11 will include a 108MP main camera with 5x optical zoom, and the other camera details were not revealed at present. Apart from this, the recent Geekbench listing suggests the Galaxy S11 PLUS will come powered by Exynos 9830 chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM, and it will run on latest Android 10. The battery capacity of the phone is unknown, but it is expected to support 45 watts fast charging just like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Talking about the release date, the Samsung is expected to launch Galaxy S11 PLUS along with the other Galaxy S11 series by February 11, 2020. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy S11 PLUS, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.